So to connect an external hard drive to your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, you might need an OTG adapter. And that's because most of these older hard drives, external hard drives, had a Type A connector, and the Tab S11 Ultra has a Type C port. So with an OTG adapter, you're able to connect the hard drive to the adapter, and then the adapter, because it has a Type C connector, goes into the Type C port of your tablet, like that. And once you connect, just give it some time. Now, keep in mind, you don't just be careful not to destroy the Type-C port here. So you need the tablet lifted a bit so that you don't end up destroying that port there. Anyway, once you connect, after some time, it's gonna read all the data, and you can see USB storage added. So to access the files and folders inside the hard drive, you want to go to the Files app. And in the Files app on the left-hand side, you should see USB storage. Now, I have USB storage 1 and USB storage 2, and that's because this particular hard drive has been partitioned into 2 separate partitions. So I can access each one of them, USB storage 1 and USB storage 2, and I can see all the files and folders inside both drives. That is basically how to connect. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.